Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we're going to be unboxing Purple Mystery Toys. I'm so excited, so let's get started. We're going to start with this Stretchy Foods Secret Menu. This color is so pretty. Look at this, guys. So satisfying, and I love the colors. Bacon. And this is the eggs. Looks so realistic. This is the cheese. I think this is lunch meat. I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments what you guys think this is. I think it's the meat, and it also could be the sauce. 2 muffins. Do the bacon. Let's do the egg. Cheese. Looks so delicious. Okay guys, so up next is the Aphmau Me Meow. My first time opening one of these. These all the Me Meow we gotta collect. I love this. It's kind of giving ice cream. And it's squishy. I think I should get more of these. These are really cute. Okay guys, so I have the mint chip ice cream cat. Up next is Mini Bratz. Okay, so let's open the Mini Bratz doll. These are all the Bratz. And it says 2 Mini Bratz inside. Okay, let's open it up. Alright, let's see. We got the vanity. It's a leopard print vanity. So cool. And this is the stool. So cool. I love it. It says Brat Wicked Twins. Alright, let's see. Ooh, look guys, they're twins. Cool. I love the outfit. Okay, so this is her. Nice. Next up is Monster Eye portion. These are the instructions. Open the bottle. I need to remove this. Add water. And then close it. Shake it up. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. We're gonna pour it out. Ooh, you guys see that? That's so cool. Look guys, the water is green. Look guys, that's so cool. We take it out. Here we go. Get her out. Guys, guess what? She's a vampire. Look at her vampire teeth. Cute. I like her little curls. I think she's crying because she got tears. Look at her little teeth. Here you go, guys. Okay, guys, the next one is from Disney Durable. Right, let's open it up. This is what we got. So cool. This is the machine. Okay, let's see the first one. And we also got some stickers, some Mickey Mouse stickers. LOL Neon Pop Star. Look at the balls. It's orange and black. So cute. Oh, I love this. I love the hair. We got Pop Headliner. Ooh, we got a flashlight. Okay, this is our outfit. Cute. I love the dress. Shoes. It's given pop star. Okay, let's put on her skirt. Okay, put on her skirt. Nice. Okay, she's giving pop star. Cute. I love it. Guys, look at her earrings. They're nice. Okay, check out the makeup. Frozen ice revealed. We're gonna open this. And break the ice. We gotta break the ice to get in. This is a lot of ice. It's surrounded by ice. We did it! We broke the ice! She is so pretty. Final one is a Real Little scented backpack. For some reason, I thought this was purple, but I don't know. It's given purple and it's given pink. But anyway, let's open this stationery backpack. So cute. I love all the glitters. Okay, so we got a pen. We got a ruler. We got some cool stickers. We got this. What is this? This is a stamp. Nice. Comments what color mystery toy should I do next. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Bye guys!